Hello everyone, it's April in a blink of eye. Time flies. During the Easter holiday, even though we cannot go traveling, we can still go hiking nearby and enjoy the spring. Today, I'm going to prepare some yummy steamed rice noodles and bring it to our picnic. The steamed rice noodle is not just super delicious. The most important thing is simple and easy to cook. My sister-in-law taught me how to make it. It's so easy that I make it at the first try. This time, I'm going to use 10 ounces of dry rice noodle. I used to use dry flat noodles. It tastes good as well. Rinse the rice noodle first and then soak it in water. If you're in a hurry, soak it in warm water for 30 minutes. I have a little bit of time, so I soak it in water at room temperature for an hour. While we're waiting, let's take a few prawns out and defrost them first. After defrosting, marinate with garlic and olive oil and set aside. You can use other kind of meat or even no meat. You can put more vegetables. It's gonna be very healthy anyway. Let's make another sauce. It's for marinating the rice noodle before cooking. 1 tablespoon of XO sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix all the seasonings. The XO sauce that I use today is homemade. You know what you put in when it is homemade. It's really good. So if you are interested in making some for yourself, you can check out my previous video. Now let's prepare some veggies. You can use whatever veggies in your fridge. All shredded, set aside. Now the rice noodle has been soaked for an hour. It is already very soft. Drain the water, put the sauce in and mix well. At this point, if you feel that the sauce is not enough, you can add more. Carrot and celery go in, mix well with rice noodles. Transfer to a plate before steaming it. If the rice noodles are too long, you can cut them. To steam the rice noodle, bring the water to a boil in a wok. Put the rice noodle in and steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the rice noodles are about half done. Place the marinated prawn on top of the noodles. Be careful though, because the steam at this point is too hot. Better turn off the fire before doing all this. After placing the prawns in, put zucchinis, green onions in, cover it, steam for another 5 minutes, and then it should be all done. The steamed noodle is a perfect choice for lunch packing or bring to a picnic because even after I put it in an insulate lunch box, it doesn't become soggy, still pretty al dente and yummy. Look at this steamed rice noodle. When it comes out of the wok, it smells so good, mouth-watering already. Add a scoop of extra XO sauce when eating, that's even better. The steamed rice noodle with prawns with a lot of veggies, super delicious. If you go with a marinated egg and a bowl of fish floors porridge, they are the perfect match. You can go check out my video for fish floors porridge. Cook it to share with your family. Well, before I knew it, I already started this YouTube channel for more than 6 months. Thank you for your support and encouragement. Every one of your thumbs up, comments, shares, and subscriptions is a big support to my channel. I really like to thank you all for doing that. Really appreciate you joining me today. See you next time. I wish you a happy Easter.